Welcome back to Code Quest Chronicles. Last time we used Python as a super cool calculator. Today it's going to get even more fun because Python is going to talk to you. Have you ever wanted to make your program ask a question like someone's name or favorite number? Well, Python can do that for you. We use something called input. It lets Python ask a question and remember your answer. Here, what's going on? Python shows the question inside the input and waits for your reply. Then, we save that reply in a little box called a variable. Next, using the print command, we display the value stored in the variable, which in this case is the name you entered. Variables are like containers that hold stuff like names, numbers, or answers. You give them a name and then you can use that name whenever you want that value again. Let's try math with input. But wait, Python gives an error. I wonder why. Python sees input as text by default, so we need to tell it, hey, this is a number. The int function tells Python to treat the text like a number. That way, you can do cool math tricks with the numbers you type. Let's try again. Bingo! Now Python gives us the expected result. It's quiz time! What will this code print? Think before you answer. Let's check the answer. The variable name was given the value Alex and age was given the value 12. In the print command, you are adding 1 to the age. So the correct answer is, next year, your age will be 13. Nice job, Explorer. You just made the Python interactive. Now, you can ask questions, get answers, and even do math with them. Coming up next, repeating actions with loops. Imagine telling Python to do something again and again, like countdowns or drawing shapes. It's going to be awesome. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends so that they can learn too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome coding adventures. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you next time on Code Quest Chronicles. Bye.